today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a quick note. A quick note is perfect for capturing ideas the moment they pop into your head, without switching projects or digging through menus. In most applications, it's a lightweight note that lives alongside your current work, so you can jot something down and keep moving. Today, we'll keep this simple and precise, following a single, reliable path that works across most setups. Start by opening the application you're working in and make sure it's the active window. You'll know it's active if its name appears highlighted in your taskbar or menu bar. Now look for the menu bar. On many systems, you'll find it at the very top of your screen, running horizontally with labels like File, Edit, and View. On others, it may sit at the top of the app window itself. If you're in full screen mode and don't see anything, try moving your cursor to the top edge to reveal the menus. Next, click the View menu. This menu usually controls how things are displayed, and it often includes tools that help you bring up panels, sidebars, or, what we need today, a quick note. Once the View menu opens, scan the list and select New Quick Note. It might appear in the middle or near the bottom of the list, depending on the version you're using. In many applications, you'll also see a small keyboard hint to the right of that menu item. That's simply a shortcut reminder and can be helpful to remember later. After you select New Quick Note, a compact note window or panel should appear. It may float above your current work or dock itself near an edge, keeping your main workspace visible. That's intentional. Quick notes are designed to be minimal and out of the way. If the panel appears off to the side or partly hidden, you can usually drag it to a more comfortable spot. If you don't immediately see it, check behind other windows or along the corners, as quick notes often tuck themselves neatly into view. If New Quick Note is grayed out or missing, first confirm the application window is active. Then try switching to a different document or view within the same app and look again. Menu layouts can vary slightly by version, language, or theme. Keeping your app up to date also helps ensure the feature appears as expected. That's all there is to it. Go to the View menu and select New Quick Note. With that one action, you've set yourself up to capture thoughts quickly, stay organized, and keep your focus where it matters.